Hi there, I'm Michelle the Painter. Today you're going to be watching a time-lapse version of my painting, Leprechaun. This is part of my exclusive series that I have for my Patreon members, which I like to call Paintings for Patreons. So you guys get to watch the fast version, but if you'd like to watch a full-length version of the tutorial, that is available for all of my Patreon members. And not only do you get to see these exclusive tutorials at full length by being part of my Patreon membership, but we also have a fabulous Facebook group where there's lots of additional painting perks that you get to benefit from. So if you'd like to learn more about the Patreon group, or if you'd like to watch the full-length version of this tutorial, all of the information is down below in the video description. I hope you enjoy. And that's going to conclude this painting. I hope you enjoyed the process. I hope you painted yourself a wise looking leprechaun, and I look forward to painting with you Patreons again sometime.